Oh man, these ads are so annoying. If only there was a way I could get rid of these ads.
Do you know you can easily make your own ad blocker to block all of these ads? Based on our research, it has been found that 74% of internet users are dissatisfied or frustrated with digital advertisement due to their typical disruptive nature and lack of relevance to their interests or needs. Moreover, most ad services compromise users' privacy by tracking their personal data such as names, IP addresses, and browsing history without the user's consent.
One popular solution to combat this issue is the use of ad blockers. However, many commercially available ad blockers found online are riddled with viruses and may compromise privacy by illicitly obtaining and selling personal information to third-party entities for financial gain. As a result, we have developed a method to create your own ad blocker in the simplest manner possible.
We have decided that our innovative ad blocker will be named AdCease.
Firstly, we need a program for our coding. We will use Visual Studio Code as our medium. We can locate just by typing Visual Studio Code into our web browser. After that, click on the official website link and click Download for Windows. Once downloaded, you can click Finish.
Then, open a Visual Studio Code and then make a folder for your ad blocker. This folder will contain all of the necessary codes. Then, we will need to make the main file called manifest.json. In the manifest.json file, we will need to first create an object and then we will add some properties to this object. The first property will be the name of our ad blocker. For example, we are going to name our ad blocker My Ad Blocker. We could also add the version and the description of the ad blocker. Our next property will be permission. We will add a list of all the Chrome APIs that we want our ad blocker to have access to. We'll also need one more permission called all URLs.
This will grant permission for all the APIs for all URLs. Another property that we could also add is the background. This will contain the scripts property. One more thing that we should also add in the manifest file is icons, which will be the logo for our ad blocker. Drag your logo to the icons folder and then add in your size for the logos in pixels. The sizes are 128, 48, and 16 pixels. Then add your logo corresponding to their sizes. Next, you have to add manifest version property.
After that, we will now create the background files. We'll start by declaring a variable. This variable will contain all the ad services sites that we want to block. We will name this variable as default filters.
Here are the list of some of the advertising sites if you want to block many sites at once. After that, we will add an event listener to listen where our requests are going. If the request goes to an advertising site, we will block it. So you can just carefully copy these lines of codes. The last step would be for you to upload the ad blocker to Chrome extensions. So you would need to type in Chrome //extensions. Then you will need to turn developer mode on and click Load Unpack to upload the files. Then you have finished all of the steps. Now you can finally surf the web without interruption.
You can see what the effects of AdCease have on the website. Before, the website is full of ads, but after, the website is free of any ads.
Firstly, AdCease can improve the overall speed and efficiency of the web by removing visual clutter so that you can browse without waiting for long load times. Moving on, AdCease can protect your personal data from being collected and sold to other companies for their own benefit. Last but not least, AdCease can guarantee that we not fall from misleading ads, including any chance from getting scammed out of your money.
The development of AdCease is a straightforward process. It will be beneficial to ensure that this ad blocker is introduced to educational institutions where individuals can be educated on the process of building it. Also, we hope that AdCease will be also improved from time to time as the presence of digital advertisement becomes more common.